If you're looking for one of the most well-built mesh tops on the market right now, J-Tops USA has your back when it comes to keeping your whole interior cool and avoiding any sunburn while enjoying having no top on your Jeep. This full mesh sunshade will make sure that you and your dash stay protected from those harmful UV rays without flapping around at highway speeds thanks to bungee-free tension strap design. This is a piece of cake to get on, and I call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and I'll get more into the details in just a moment. The shiny gray material of this top will definitely make your Jeep stand out, and it won't absorb heat since it's a lighter color. This is also offered in black, white, red, and blue, as well as a couple of different variations of the good old American flag for the 4-door versions. This mesh top is UV protected and it's pretty opaque for a mesh top, so you'll really get that full effect of 80% of UV protection. The reason behind the higher UV protection is that it's PVC coated to create that barrier between you and the sun. Not only is the mesh UV protected from the sun, but the 2-inch webbing reinforcement and all of the straps all around are UV resistant as well. The top reaches all the way to the sides of your cab, leaving no room for extra sun to come through, and the straps on this keep it tight enough so that when you drive on the highway, you won't experience any flapping around like some other options may cause. Speaking of the straps, this attaches with no extra components needed, which is a feature that I really like about this mesh top. This has heavy-duty buckles and hooks and straps to attach it to the windshield frame and then all the way around the roll bars. Most other tops have either bungee cords that stretch out and won't hold up over time, unlike these tough military-grade straps. Since there's no extra hardware needed to install this top, this is going to fit under your soft top or hard top and won't interfere with the top or the function at all, making it very convenient so whenever you remove your top, you're ready to go. J-Tops USA is one of the leaders in the industry for top accessories because of their well-known quality. Their tops are highly rated, and you can see it even in the customer reviews on this one in particular. This top is a higher priced option, and because of that, it comes in at around $200 for the full shade mesh cover. The higher price on this is definitely worth it if you're looking to keep your top off a lot in the summer months and use this frequently while staying different than everybody else. Not to mention, with the compatibility of each top, you never really have to take this thing off. There are a couple other higher priced options by J-Tops USA that will keep the same quality but will come with that custom print of the good old American flag like I talked about before for about $100 extra. The other less expensive options will range right around $50 to $150, but some of those options will require extra hardware, jumping the price up a bit, or they'll include different materials and different attachment points like bungee cords that may not hold up as well in the long run. Overall, if you're looking for a very unique mesh top that will definitely hold up in the long run, J-Tops USA has you covered, literally speaking, and they also include a 5-year limited warranty that comes with their mesh tops so you can have a sense of security with your investment. This one is one of the easiest mesh tops to install, and it goes on in minutes. I have to give this a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This is going to take you around 10 minutes worth of your time, and you're not going to need any hand tools for this one.
First step, we're going to lay this top out over top. J-Tops has a built-in bar with hooks on the front, and they latch onto the front footman loops. Now that we have the front attached, we're going to go ahead and attach the sides. Unlatch the buckles. Then we're going to wrap them around the roll bar. Click them back in. You can snug them up, but don't pull them tight just yet. We're going to do the same thing for the opposite side. you want to lift this locking tab up. That way you can loosen them, disconnect them, give a little slack, pull them around, click them in, pull them tight, and then click that locking tab back down. And once you get to the back one, you want to go down and under the seat belt and then click that on, and that'll keep that nice and tight front to back. Once you have all the side ones on, we're going to go ahead and get this rear one clicked together. Once again, you want to go around the roll bar, and then we'll pull that tight and lock it shut. Click it together, pull it nice and tight, lock it. So once you have all the straps on, we're going to go ahead and just tighten them all up and adjust it as needed. There's magnets in the middle which stick to the roll bar and keep it from flapping around. Congratulations, you've now completed the install of the JKU-USA Safari Mesh Top.